What is up, everyone? This is Tutorials here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the Steam application load error 3 and a bunch of numbers, right? So let's get right into this. So if you're getting this Steam application load error, the easiest way to fix this is to basically find wherever your Steam application itself is on your desktop, right-click into it, go to Properties, go into Compatibility, run this program as administrator, press apply, press OK, and turn Steam back on. Basically, you need to exit out of Steam first before you do this. And then, if that doesn't fix it for you, run this program in compatibility mode and change it from Windows 8 to all the other compatibilities that you see here. And then basically see whichever one works for you. Most likely Windows 8 or 7 should work for you. But again, you might have to go back depending on if it doesn't work for you. Trying these steps should fix this issue for you, and you should be good to go. You might have to restart your computer as well, because it does happen on specific games only, not all of Steam. So, but yeah, try this out and go from there, and you guys should be good to go. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys like the video, please go to the channel, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell on that. More tutorials out. Peace.